All right, question number 23. This one, I think some of you guys have struggled with it, but it's basically, if you understand what it's asking, it's just saying there's two lines here. They've given us two lines. Now, they didn't put it in slope-intercept form, but these are both lines because the highest exponent is a 1. So this is going to be a line. But they want to know, are these 2 points on each one of these lines? So here's what I would do. I would just graph them, and then I would just type in 5 and I would type in 0 and see if these y values correspond. So let me go there and do this. So I'm going to go grab my calculator. I'm going to do menu 14, get rid of what we just did. Then I'm going to do menu 45. Now this one, I'm going to graph it as a relation because it is a relation, at least the way that it's set up. So I'm going to enter the first equation, 3x minus 3y equals 12. And then I'm going to press enter. Now, all I'm going to do is menu 51. It's going to take us to the to the y-intercept. Now, that's not what I want. Well, actually, it is kind of what I want because one of the points was 0. But I'm just going to type in 5 because that's the x value. And 5, so it says 5, 1. So if we go back to this, we can see that neither one of these points is on the first line because when we put in 5, we got 1, not 0. And when we put in 0, we got a -4, not a -5. So number 1 doesn't have either one of those points on the line. So I can cross that one off. Now I'm going to do the other one. So let me get rid of this. Menu 14, get rid of this. Yes. And now I'm going to type in the next equation they gave us. Is going to be y plus 14 equals parentheses x plus 9. Press enter. Now there's a line, so I'm going to do menu 51. It says 0, -5. So that point is on this line, but I got to check the other point to make sure that point is on the line. So again, I'm just going to type in 5, and then I'm going to press enter. And it says 5, 0. So this second line has both of these points, 5, 0 and 0, -5. So the answer is this one, 2 only. This equation has both of these points on it, so we can mark it and we can submit it and we'd be right. Okay, that's it. Anytime they give you an equation, you should be graphing. They've given us 2 points. You could check those 2 points. Another way that you could do this is you could store these coordinates into x and y and then just type in the equation. If you get a true, that means the point is on that line. If you get a false, that means it's not. But I think graphing is easier, it's quicker, it's more visible. So that's what I would recommend that you use. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this. All right. One more to go.